Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the critical system error in Microsoft Edge. This error usually happens due to corrupted browser files, conflicting extensions, or damaged system components. First, restart Microsoft Edge and your PC. Close all windows and restart your computer to clear any temporary system issues. Now go ahead and open Microsoft Edge again. Once you have done that, clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Delete on your keyboard. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected, then click Clear Now. After that, disable all extensions, go to the left menu and open Extensions, then turn off all extensions, relaunch the browser, then reset Edge settings by going to Settings and selecting Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their default values and confirm the reset. Next, repair Microsoft Edge. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for Edge. Click the three dots, choose Modify, and then click Repair. If that still does not work, open the Windows search bar, type CMD, and run it as an administrator. Then type the following command sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish, then close it and restart your PC. Finally, make sure Microsoft Edge is updated to the latest version. Go to Microsoft Edge, open About Microsoft Edge, and let it check for updates. If it is not updated, install the latest version. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Microsoft Edge critical system error by restarting the browser, clearing cache, disabling extensions, resetting settings, repairing Edge, running a system scan, and updating the browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.